if you're a guy dealing with prostate problems, maybe you've hit that age where doctor visits are happening a bit more frequently and you're not too keen to open up about it, then listen up. You might notice you're waking up at night to hit the bathroom and missing out on solid sleep. If this sounds like you, I'm here to talk to you about a natural option called ProstaVive. It's made to help ease the discomforts of frequent urination, prostate issues, and other common challenges guys often face as they get into their 40s and 50s. Maybe you don't feel comfortable talking about this with someone else, or you're just looking for a natural, health-friendly solution. Well, that's exactly why I'm here discussing ProstaVive today. It's safe, it works, and it's built to make a real difference. First off, if you're interested, you can actually check out ProstaVive's official site. Just click below and you'll get right to their secure page for a safe purchase. ProstaVive is actually a dietary supplement specifically focused on improving prostate health. It's made with a unique blend of natural organic ingredients to help with those classic issues like frequent trips to the bathroom and that lingering discomfort. What sets ProstaVive apart is its fast-acting formula, which helps your prostate function better, boosts urine flow, and reduces discomfort. So here's what ProstaVive does. It mainly works by enhancing blood flow around your prostate, which is super important for keeping it in good shape. Did you know that the buildup of cells around the prostate can lead to that uncomfortable pressure and all those bathroom trips? ProstaVive's mix of natural nutrients actually helps break down these cells and supports healthy blood flow, leading to a stronger, more youthful urine stream. Just one glass of this all-natural solution a day can not only support your prostate, but also improve your overall blood circulation. This gives you extra energy, better sleep, and even improve sexual performance. But ProstaVive isn't just about the prostate. It's designed to support overall male health. It promotes healthy nitric oxide levels, which are great for your arteries and blood pressure. Plus, it can help you manage blood sugar, strengthen your immune system, and boost energy levels. You might even notice improvements in mental sharpness, quicker memory recall, and a general sense of vitality. ProstaVive truly works to support your prostate bladder and overall health. Just follow the usage instructions and you'll likely see impressive results. And here's some peace of mind, there is a money-back guarantee. If you ever need a refund, just reach out to their customer service on the official site and they'll get you all sorted. Thanks for sticking around. Now's your chance to take a step towards better health. Check out ProstaVive's official page. I hope I have helped to clarify all your doubts. If you already use ProstaVive, leave a comment about how your experience is going. This way you'll help others who are thinking about buying ProstaVive and help them transform their lives. Take care of yourself. See you later.